Hey guys, so today's video is going to be a Rocksbox unboxing. So if you don't know what Rocksbox is, it is a jewelry subscription service for $21 a month, and basically you get some jewelry that you pick out yourself. Well, technically a stylist helps you pick it, but you choose from their selection, you put them into a list, and then a stylist will kind of selects 3 jewelry products per month, and it is $21 a month, and you continuously pay that $21 until you send back the items, and then unless you want to keep them, and if you do want to keep them, then you do have to pay for them. You do have a referral link that will get you your first month for less or for free. I don't exactly remember, but it'll be right here and it'll be in the description box if you're interested. But I just wanted to show you what I got in my last Rocksbox. This has honestly been sitting here for the longest time. I just haven't gotten the chance to film this video because I was so busy with Halloween. I think it's been here since September or even before then, to be honest. Before I get into the unboxing though, you have to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And if you want to see what I got in my Rocksbox, then just keep on watching. So Rocksbox comes in an outer envelope that I already, I don't think I threw it away. I think it's somewhere here. I just don't remember exactly where, but it is reusable. So if you don't like any of the jewelry products, you can use that exact package that it comes in to send it back. And they also have a prepaid label in here, but they all come in this little box and then your jewelry items are in there. I did already take a sneak peek because I kind of knew what was already coming, to be honest. They actually do show you what they're gonna send you, and you actually have a chance to swap some of those items out if you don't like them. But yeah, this is what the inside looks like, and here is the return label that comes with the box that you can use to return the items that you do not want. But yeah, it comes with these cute tissue paper. Alright, so I'm pretty sure, I don't know which one this is. And I also lost the outer carton. I'm telling you, it's been sitting here for a long time. I couldn't wait to open it, but I'm gonna pretend that this is an unboxing. It usually tells you what came in your exact box and how much it costs and like the brand and everything, but it comes in like a little card. But I'm gonna have to look at my account to tell you exactly what it is. So let me go ahead and pull up my account. So the first thing is from Ava Rose, and this is a ring. I'm gonna show it to you right now. I think this is absolutely stunning, but I have already tried it on, and this is a size 6, which is what I normally am, but I think it runs small and I can't get it to stay on this finger. I actually got it stuck there. I think it's because of the long stone. It's actually really scary to me, so I'm not gonna put it back on. I think for some reason this hand is more bloated than this hand or something. Like, it's just not fitting. My fingers are so small, but it's just not fitting on any of my fingers except for my pinky, but it falls off, as you can see. But this is so stunning. This ring runs for $59, which is quite pricey for a ring, but look at all the detailing, so I kind of understand why it costs that much money. I just think I'm gonna have to return this one because it just does not fit on my finger. Maybe I'm just a little bloated, I don't know, but I'm just like afraid to put it on, to be honest. But I think on this hand it actually fits a little bit better without my wedding ring. I think this is absolutely stunning. I would definitely wear this on a daily basis. I kind of wish though that I had gotten a size up so I could even wear it on this finger, because I think it would look good like that. Don't you think? Like, it's so pretty. I love it. I have a huge thing for stones and things like this. That's why I picked it out. I thought it was so pretty. So all of my pieces in this month's box are silver. I usually try to match them around the same, like at least the same color. So I've gotten rose gold in the past, an entire box of rose gold pieces, an entire box of just gold pieces. Sometimes, like the majority of the time in my daily life though, I tend to mix and match tones. Like, I don't care if I'm wearing rose gold earrings and a gold bracelet. Like, to me, I think that's very modern. Like, people do that a lot nowadays. I'm absolutely loving this ring. I wish I could wear it. I kind of wish I'd gotten a size 7. But I will figure it out. I will probably be returning this one, and maybe for my next box I'll get the actual right size. So I just realized that silver doesn't match what I'm wearing. Like, I feel like this shirt, like, I need to be wearing gold. But the next thing I have here is a Kendra Scott Elisa necklace is what it's called. I feel like I have a necklace so similar to this that I got from a different brand, from a completely different company even, like not Rocksbox. But this is interesting. Let's see if I can get this even on so I could show you what it looks like. But I think, wow, this matches so well. I do really well in matching, like, before I pick my pieces. Although the actual, like, necklace part, like the chain, seems like deeper silver. Like, it's not quite gold, but it's not quite silver either, so it's very interesting. But this necklace runs for $65. That's quite pricey. I don't know if I'm gonna be keeping this one because unless I keep the ring and I can actually like match them together, because look at how they match. I don't really see me wearing this all that much. I don't actually like it that much in person like I did online, but I'm gonna go ahead and put it on so you guys can see. Sorry guys, I tried, but these long ass nails, I just can't get it on, so I'm sorry. Like, it looks really, really nice though. I like it more the way it looks like on my neck. Like, I went like this and I like was staring at it for a while. Then I do like just like this. I like that it's adjustable. You can make it a choker probably, and you can make it a longer necklace if you put it on the last one, but it's just not something I think I'm gonna keep. I don't like the color of the chain more than anything, and it doesn't even match the ring, so I think I'm gonna be returning this one as well. Ones that I think I'm gonna keep, because I already saw these are so pretty. These are also from Ava Rose. These are the Denver hoops. They run for $55. They also have that same material that the others have, and these I can definitely put on. I am a sucker for like different kind of hoops, like not just standard hoops. I love my standard hoops though. I love hoops that stand out a little bit. I love these. They're so pretty. Definitely keeping these 100%. Super unique. I've never seen anything like this before. I just realized that you can take this out and make it a single hoop too. Like, just like, wow, that is so worth the price in my opinion. 2 pairs of earrings in one. I think they look so stunning on. Like, look at that, how pretty that is. I love it. I definitely think I'm gonna keep these. I am so loving these, the way these look. I don't necessarily love it with this shirt. With this shirt, I would probably pair either rose gold or gold. I don't know what it is about like burnt orange. I don't think silver really matches. That's just me. But yeah, that's everything that I got in my Rocksbox. Let me know if you like these kinds of videos. Do you like jewelry? Do you get Rocksbox? Do you get any other jewelry subscription service? I'm super into jewelry. I love jewelry so much, so I'm never gonna get tired of it. This is just like not something that like if I saw at a store like I would necessarily buy, but the fact that like it gets sent to me like through the subscription service is so cool to me. Let me know which piece was your favorite, because maybe I'm talking crap and you actually like really love, well, I really love this ring, to be honest. I would have probably kept it. Look at how that matches. It is so freaking pretty together. I'm so sad that I got the wrong size. Let me know which piece was your favorite. I think for me it's between the earrings and the ring. I think I like the earrings a little bit more, but I definitely want to get the ring in my size so I could actually wear them together. And I probably will get a size up so I could wear it on my index finger, because I don't know, it probably looks really nice there. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot. And yeah, you can subscribe right here. You can watch these 2 videos if you've missed them. Have a marathon on my channel, grab some popcorn and just binge watch, because there are some great videos on there if I do say so myself. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.